Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given Rohit invested 9600 rupees on rupees 100 shares at rupees 20 premium by paying 8% dividend. So Rohit sold the shares when the price rises to 160 rupees, and then he will invest the proceeds amount again at the dividend of 10%, rupees 50 shares at 40 rupees. So first we need to find the original number of shares for the invested amount, then the sales proceeds, and the number of new shares, and then change of two dividends. So first find the original number of shares. Given investment is 9600, the nominal value is 100 rupees. The market value of each share will be 100 plus 20 premium, so which is 120 rupees. So number of shares, original number of shares equals to investment divided by a market value. Here investment is 9600, the market value is 120. So if we divide 9600 by 120, we'll get 80. So the number of original shares are 80. Now find the sales proceeds. In sales proceeds, each share sold at 160 rupees is given. So for 80 shares, sales proceeds equals to 80 times of 160, which is 12,800 rupees. So sales proceeds is 12,800. Now find the new number of shares. To find the new number of shares, we need to consider this sales proceeds as a new investment. So new investment is 12,800, and the nominal value is given, which is 50, and the market value is 40 rupees. So number of new shares equals to new investment divided by the market value. So which is 12,800 divided by 40. So if we divide 12,800 by 40, we'll get 320. So the number of new shares are 320. Finally, find the change in two dividends. So to find the change in two dividends, we need to find the dividend amount of a previous, which is 8% dividend, and also dividend amount of a new investment. So if the dividend is 8%, the nominal value is given for 100 rupees and number of shares are 80. So dividend amount for 8% is 8% of 100 into number of shares, which is 8 by 100 into 100 into 80. So if you simplify this, we'll get 640 rupees. So dividend amount of 8% is 640 rupees. Now find the dividend amount for 10% dividend. So for 10% dividend, the nominal value is given, which is 50 rupees, and the number of shares are 320. So dividend amount of 10%. Dividend is 10% of 50 into 320. So if we simplify this, we'll get 10 divided by 100 into 50 into 320. So we'll get rupees 1600. So change in two dividends is 1600 minus 640, which is 960. So change in two dividends is 960 rupees. So finally the original number of shares are 80, sales proceeds amount is 12,800 rupees, number of new shares are 320, and the change in two dividends are 960 rupees. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.